Hey, if you wake up already tense, right? Chest is tight, it's hard to breathe. And if you move through your day bracing for the next problem, and if you can't relax, you can't let go, even when nothing is wrong, man, you are not just stressed, you are living in survival mode. Okay. And today I'm going to show you how to break the cycle using three simple shifts from our program, the MindFlow Cycle. A few years ago, I remember waking up every day with like my jaw was clenched and my chest was tight and my calendar was full and all these responsibilities just weighed on me heavily, right? But the weirdest part, even on days where nothing bad happened, my body felt like something bad was about to happen. Have you ever felt that way? Have you ever felt that in your gut? There's no reason for it. It's like your nervous system is permanently on hold. One day, my mentor said something that just changed everything for me. He said, your body doesn't know the crisis is over because your mind hasn't told it. And that made sense to me. That really did. Survival mode isn't a mindset, it's a psychological loop, a state where your brain is scanning for threats, even when threats don't exist. Once I started applying the MindFlow cycle concepts to reset my system, everything changed. My energy, my clarity, and my presence. And today I'll give you the same three steps that helped me break out of that loop. Tip number one, what you got to do is create a safety signal for your brain. So your brain has two primary states, right? Threat and safety, sympathetic and the parasympathetic. Okay. So survival mode means you're stuck in threat. To break it, you need a safety signal. So try this. Place your hand on your chest. Take a slow inhale, right? Maybe a 6 count and hold. And then take an even slower exhale, maybe an 8 count. Then say, I'm safe in this moment. Say it out loud. Let your brain hear yourself say it. And why this works? The long exhale tells your nervous system we're not in danger anymore. And this is the fastest way to exit survival mode. Tip number two, reduce input, not output. And most people try to break the survival mode by doing less. And that's totally wrong. It's not your workload that's overwhelming you. It's the input coming at you, right? The notifications, the emails, all the requests that you get at work, the news, turn the news off, right? Conversations, micro demands. Oh man, there's so much. So here's your power move. For the first hour of the day, block all inputs except the one thing you choose to focus on. All right. This gives your brain control again. Control creates calm, and calm breaks that survival mode. Oh yeah. Tip number three, close the loop before bedtime. Okay. Survival mode thrives on unfinished cycles. Your mind wants to protect you, so it keeps everything active. The problem you don't address, or the decisions you didn't make, or even the emotions you didn't process. So before bed, do this. Ask, ask the three close questions, okay? Number one, what did I complete today? Two, what can wait until tomorrow? And three, what is no longer mine to carry? Man, this tells your brain we are done for today, right? It's closure, survival mode ends, and then relax, let go time begins. If you want my survival mode reset guide, the exact process I use with high performing leaders to reclaim calm, clarity, and emotional regulation, just comment safe and I'll send it to you, or I'll send a link to you and you can get it. All right. And inside that guide, this is what you'll get. You'll get the 5-minute evening shutdown. You'll get the safety signal technique, the input reduction protocol. And these things are so that you can live from power and not panic. All right. Do me a favor, subscribe, share this video with somebody who can benefit. And as always, as always, stay strong, and we'll see you in the next video.